Okay, let's talk about the 3 different variations of the grip. I'm going to give you 3, you're going to try them, all 3 of them, and you're going to see which one you like for yourself. If you've been golfing a while already, you might have a favorite grip already, but try the other couple out. Okay, all 3 grips, we still support the club as we talked about in the last video, with the heel of the palm of our hand taking most of the weight. The difference is how we wrap our hands around the club and touch how each hand touches each other. So the first one I'm going to go over is my pinky goes inside my index finger on this one. It's called interlock grip. Okay? I'm interlocking these fingers. I'm interlocking these fingers. This gives us nice, solid support for a swing that doesn't get too, call it like wristy. Okay? It's good support, right? There's a slight difference, and there's another variation to this one called overlap. Okay? Overlap comes when I have my top hand on the club, put the bottom hand, instead of interlocking it, I overlap it. So the overlap grip is very similar to the interlock, but instead of locking them together, I'm just putting it on top. But this pinky is still sitting inside this groove between these 2 fingers. Okay? I'm overlapping this hand on this one. The third type of grip is called a baseball grip. We have our top hand, which is supporting the club, the weight, and we put our bottom hand not interlocking, not overlapping, but just against it. Same pressure point in the middle with the thumbs as all the other grips, but these hands are separated. This is going to be a very wristy golf swing, okay? It's not as common as the interlock or overlap because these give you a little bit more support. But if you feel that you can control the club and it feels good with baseball, try it. Like I say, it's more conventional and traditional to have this interlock or overlap because it allows for support. But if you swing well with the baseball grip, I've used it before. I don't use it now, but try it. See how it goes.